Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a fillable PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. First open your PDF form, this is my PDF form, and click this tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this prepare form option, click here. Now click start and click this text field and go to your text field area and click right button for properties and click general. Here you can change your text field name and click appearance, change the text field, border color, line thickness, fill color and font size. I choose auto. Also you can change the text color and now click option. Here you can align your text, align center. Now click forward option. Here you can change other option. I choose none. If you choose none, you can type text and number, both of them at a time. Now click close and click preview and type here, type text. Also you can type here number and same way do this here. Now click preview, appearance, select auto, close. Also I will type here postal code, select this text box and postal code area and click right button for properties and select here auto, fill color and choose this color. Now click format option and select here special and select here zip code. Now click close. Also I will put here phone number, select here and click right button for properties, click appearance auto. Now click format option and select a special number. Here we will find this phone number. Now click close and type here postal number, yeah, and type here phone number. This is also I will put here checkbox. Now click edit option and select this checkbox and now draw a checkbox here. Also I will do another checkbox here and click right button for properties. Here also you can change your checkbox border color, text color. Let's choose here pink color. Now click close and select previous, check this, yeah. Now I will insert here date field. Now click edit option and you will find here this date field icon. Click here and select a date field and click right button for properties, select here auto and border color, switch here and now click format option and select here date format, also this format. Now click close and click preview and select here any of this date, insert it, yeah. In this way you can do complete all of these boxes and finally click this file option, save or save as your PDF file, yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.